Hi everyone, so today I'm gonna show you how you can save your Instagram videos in your gallery. Okay, so first of all you have to open your profile, go to your profile and choose any video that you want to save in your gallery. So I'm going to my profile and I'm going to choose any video, and okay, so I'm going to choose this video. And okay, so you have to copy this video's link. So I'm going to copy this link, and then you have to go to the Google browser or Chrome or whatever you wanna. Go to Google and type snap insta snap insta. Okay, and tap this website. You have to go to this website and paste the URL over here, your videos URL over here, and tap download button. Okay, that you have to tap this blue download video button. Tap that button and here is your video which you can download by tapping this download button. So yeah, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you.